Hey guys, hello and welcome to my review of Profit Hero from Spencer Broom. Now, Spencer is a fairly new guy on the block. I know him from a course that I'm in called Project Profit Academy, and he's just been pumping out the courses lately. And this is a really awesome course where he is showing you how to become an affiliate hero, a profit hero, really, by selling affiliate products. He has a little bit of um, not a different method, but a method that is going to help you as a newbie get started without doing product launches. Okay, so bear with me while I show you his sales page, and I've got access to the course here, the membership course, and I also have some bonuses for you as usual. And my bonuses are all here down at the bottom of my bonus page. But I'm not going to start with my bonuses today. I know that I have in the past, but I do find that my recordings can be a little bit long. So I would like to get straight into um, what Profit Hero is all about. And so let's get started. Well, first I'll tell you what it's all about. Profit Hero is a 100% newbie-friendly A to Z affiliate marketing system. It's going to show you how to go from zero to making an extra $100 a day plus from anywhere that you want to work from, whether it be from your own office or from your own home or um, while you're traveling around the world. It includes a really good step-by-step video training and also a template that you can use to get started right away. Okay, that's pretty awesome. He makes it really easy for you to get started in this course. I will just go here into the membership area and show you here there are several modules, and some of these modules actually have a couple of videos. But I'll tell you, one of the things that I really, really like about Spencer's courses is that he has a really, really, I don't know if it's super unique, but a really nice style of teaching, and he doesn't leave anything out. He's very detailed and just has a really nice way of teaching. Makes me feel comfortable when I'm watching it. I'm not freaked out or worried that I can't do something. So anyway, in the membership area, you'll come to the overview video here. It's an introduction video to show you a little bit about what he's going to be taking you through. I also encourage you to join his Facebook group where you'll be able to interact with like-minded affiliate marketers and where you can all help each other out. In the first video, he's going to help you find the offers to promote. And this is not about launch jacking, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. It's not about launch jacking, but he is going to show you where you can find affiliate products to promote and which ones will be more appropriate for you to promote at this time. He's going to show you how to make a squeeze page, and he's also going to give you the template for a squeeze page here. Now, he uses InstaBuilder. I don't, but he does, and he shows you exactly how to use it. And so you can get InstaBuilder here through his link. You can get another link for his template here, and he also shows you how to create an email list. Okay, so he actually really shows you how to go get into GetResponse and set it up. And he's also going to provide you with a whole bunch of emails. One of his upgrades is 60 emails. Now, it's actually way more than 60 emails. There are close to 300. Now, you're going to get an excellent value with that upgrade, but I'll go into that a little bit later. He's also going to show you how to build a bridge page. He is also going to show you how to set up push notifications. He shows you the best settings to use so that your push notifications get noticed. And he's going to tell you a little secret about how people respond to push notifications. That's pretty cool, actually. it's not really a secret. It's just a psychological thing about customers that you may find interesting and helpful. How to send them, advanced and some advanced push notification tactics. He's going to show you how to feed the funnel, basically how to get your traffic using solo ads, and somebody that he recommends you use to get your solo ads from. Then he's going to show you how to track everything so that you know exactly what's getting clicked on and how many people are visiting your websites. Sorry, it's really early here. I'm very tired. And then he's going to show you an advanced sales redirection trick to help you get more sales. And then he's going to give you some more traffic sources. Now, this is about my lead gen secret. If you've never heard of this before, definitely watch this video. This is going to help you make a little bit of extra money and get more leads to your sales pages. Very important video to watch. That's all I'm going to tell you about that one. He's going to show you how to get free traffic from Herculist. If you've never heard of Herculist before, definitely check out this video. It's I use Herculist as well. You can get tons and tons of views to your pages. It's a free way, so free always takes a little longer, but definitely join Herculist and watch his tutorial on how to get the free traffic. He's also going to show you how to get Quora traffic. Quora is a question and answer site, and he's going to show you how you can get traffic to your sites using Quora. He's going to show you also how to get Pinterest traffic. If you've never used Pinterest to get traffic to your affiliate pages, or if you've never done affiliate marketing before, this is another really good way to get free traffic to your sales pages. He's going to show you how to or where to set up your Pinterest account, how to make your pins, and another way. Oh, this is a super easy way to upload your pins to Pinterest. It's really fast. This is something I've never seen before that I didn't know about. You got to watch this video. And how to get invited to group boards. Your pins get seen more, which also creates more visits to your sales pages. Now, one thing about this course is he has created this course assuming that you already have a website or a WordPress site. Now, if you don't worry about it. He has another tutorial here on how to create a WordPress website, how to install a theme, where to get your domain names, the hosting company that he likes to use, and installing plugins. He'll also show you here how to install the InstaBuilder plugin to your WordPress site, because you're going to need this to use InstaBuilder. Anyway, that is his course in a nutshell. Now let me show you about the upsells. Here's the pricing. Profit Hero, the front end product is $12.97, and the price is going to increase. I'm not sure when this price starts to go up, but it will be increasing, so get it right away. Profit Hero went live this morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, and I'm late on this. I've had a crazy busy last few weeks. Anyway, this just reminds you of what you get with the front end of Profit Hero. And the first upgrade is 6 custom created Profit Hero funnels that you can use. Super easy upload a template to your InstaBuilder and upload your 5-day follow-up email sequence using Spencer's copywriting style that always gets conversions. So I highly recommend this done for you upgrade for $47. This is super good value. There might be a downsell. I'm not sure if I should reveal that in this review, but check it out and find out for yourself. Upgrade number 2 is 60 done for you emails that I already mentioned in the video. You're actually getting more like 300 done for you emails. This is an insanely good value. Upgrade number 3 is resale rights to sell Profit Hero as your own. Now, you don't have to get this upgrade right away. You can if you want to just go through Profit Hero first, you can still do that. And so if you go back here, so I'm back here on the membership main page, I guess you could call it. You can get any of the upgrades right here where it says Profit Hero Done For You Funnels. That's the first upgrade, upgrade 1, upgrade number 2, upgrade number 3, Profit Hero license rights. So you can get all that here on the first page. So if you just want to check out the front end product first, you can go ahead and do that. If you're still kind of new with this and you're stuck and you're going through the wheel of shiny object syndrome and just you might want to try Spencer's coaching course. Now, I really like his teaching style, so I think you'd probably really like his high ticket coaching program. You can try it out for $1. I can't remember, but I think $1 includes the first month of coaching. If I'm wrong, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the first month. And then after that, it's only $27.99 per month reoccurring. And that will start at the end of your trial period. You can cancel anytime you want, but I highly suggest you try his coaching program. It includes his coaching, step-by-step video training to massively grow an online business, a giant bonus vault of courses in software, weekly Q&A sessions, monthly live training session with top affiliate marketers, monthly PLR to use for any purpose, dedicated community filled with like-minded people, and a ton of other goodies. So you should definitely check that out. So that is upgrade number 4. So hopefully you like what you see in this course. You can also check out his sales page here. All you have to do is click on one of these yellow buttons on my bonus page, and it'll take you directly through to his sales page, where you can purchase Profit Hero for $12.97 right now. Once you purchase Profit Hero, you will have access to my bonuses. If you want to have a look at my bonuses, what I'm offering you here is Urgency Suites Pro. Urgency Suites Pro is the software that creates progress bars and urgency bars and timers for your websites and for your emails. It just creates a sense of urgency to your customers, that when the timer runs out or the progress bar comes to the end, your bonuses are no longer available, and maybe the product isn't available either. So this is an excellent bonus to help you get more sales to your products. Now, also, since Profit Hero is not a launch jacking course, it shows you how to use products that have already been launched. The launch jacking course, Jono Armstrong, he's going to show you his over-the-shoulder video guide on how to do launch jacking, how to promote brand new products that have not been shown yet. And Jono's awesome. I mean, I've learned so much from Jono on how to do this launch jacking. Bonus number 3 is access to the secret weapon. Now, the secret weapon is a course by Eric Sagi. I love Eric. And now this is a little bit, it's similar to Profit Hero, but there's a couple of other little things in there that you can learn to increase your sales. And he also shows you how to set up an ad campaign. Since Profit Hero shows you free traffic methods, there are a couple of paid methods, but this also shows you another paid method to get traffic to your lead pages. And now Easy Passive Paydays is an alternative way to make money using pay per call. And this is a course by Anthony Mancuso. I really like Anthony. He's made some products that I've purchased in the past. One of them is El Bandito. Another excellent course. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So in this one, he's going to show you how to make money passively, set and forget it, and just make money while you're doing whatever it is that you do every day. Now, this bonus tutorial, bonus number 5, is how to explode your YouTube channel. This is it's a 20-minute video from Brendan Mace. and he's going to show you how he has grown his channel to over 37,000 subscribers. He has way more than that now. I think he made this tutorial about 2 years ago, but the same methods apply, especially finding the best keywords on how to rank your videos more easily. And yeah, so definitely check that one out. And now this is a special bonus that if you buy one of the upgrades to Profit Hero, buy any one of the upgrades, and I'm going to give you a bonus page linked to my bonus pages so that you can build pages just like this one. Okay? And I'm going to provide you with a little video course. I don't know how little or it will be, but I'm going to show you how to customize these pages and add your own links to them so that you can start adding bonuses to your to the products that you're going to be promoting. Okay, I highly encourage you to get the done for you Profit Hero funnels. And so if you do that or any of these upgrades, I'm going to give you my special course. And all you need to do to get that one is email me at internetmarketingnomad@gmail.com with a screenshot of your Warrior Plus or PayPal receipt of the upgrade, showing me that you bought the front end product and one of the upgrades, okay? And then I will send you the link. I'll also provide you with a link to Commission Gorilla. There's a free $1 trial so that you can give it a try for yourself. It's not that hard. I used to think it was, but it's not anymore. And with my bonus link, page link, it's going to help you. It's making it a lot easier for you to create your bonuses. So like I said, you can click on any of these yellow buttons to get Profit Hero. It'll send you directly to the sales page. And once you've purchased it, you'll go to your Warrior Plus account and go to your purchase history. And under your purchase history, you will see Profit Hero here, and once you click on that, you will see a page that looks like this. Thank you for your purchase. And if you send me a screenshot of this, then I will know that you've purchased it, and you'll get one like this for your upgrade as well. Make sure you send me that one as well so I can send you my extra bonus, okay? And then you can access your purchase by clicking on this green button here. Okay, I hope you like my review of Profit Hero. It's really, really a good course. And I'm also going to provide a link to one of his other courses below as well. It's all about getting some more free traffic and get Profit Hero and unleash your super profit powers. Become a Profit Hero and finally get the results you deserve. So thank you for watching my video, and make sure you click the like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. I've got a lot of free time coming up. I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos, so stand by and enjoy Profit Hero. Have an awesome day. Thank you for watching.